If you're looking for a powerful handheld fan, blower and vacuum in one, the Nitecore CineWind 23 is going to be pretty hard to beat. Welcome to My Home Hub. Today I'm reviewing the CineWind 23, a compact multi-purpose device built for creators, photographers and anyone who needs serious airflow or suction in a portable package. At first I figured the CW23 would just be a strong fan, but I quickly realised I could do a lot more with it. Now I use it to get into awkward and hard to clean places around the home and in the car. According to Nitecore, the CW23 can produce wind speeds of up to 157 miles per hour or about 70 meters per second, and up to 170 grams of thrust. And on the suction side, it delivers up to 6,000 pascals, powered by a 160 watt brushless motor that spins up to 118,000 RPM, which is pretty impressive for something this small. And build-wise, it's made from aero-grade aluminium alloy with an HA3 military-grade hard anodized finish, plus some durable ABS plastic. And it comes in two colours, alloy orange and classic black. The body itself weighs 254 grams or around 8.96 ounces without the vacuum kit or nozzles. The attachments add a bit more weight, but it still feels very light and easy to carry around. Inside is an 18.5 watt-hour battery that can give you up to 2 hours of runtime depending on speed setting. It also supports 18 watt USB-C fast charging, reaching a full charge in approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes. And before you use it for the first time, you'll need to unlock it from its factory default setting. So double press and hold the power button until the RGB light bar turns on and cycles through its colours. And then it's just a matter of charging the unit. The LED bar also shows your battery level, and all the LEDs will turn green once it's been fully charged. A short press on the power button cycles through the 4-speed levels indicated by the blue lights. Now press the fan button once to control the airflow manually, double press for continuous blow mode, or press and hold for turbo mode. So you've got 4 standard wind speeds plus turbo, quick blow and continuous blow, so there are plenty of options to match the task. The box itself is really sturdy and basically doubles as a storage case with a magnetic lid that makes it easy to open and close while keeping everything secure. On the left side and in the lower middle compartment, you've got the suction attachments, while on the right side there are the blower attachments along with a lanyard that can be attached to the unit. It also comes with USB-C cable, instructions and a carry bag. The CineWind 23 ships with a cleaning kit and a range of nozzles for different jobs. For vacuuming, you get the dust bin, a short extension tube, a brush vacuum nozzle, a long extension tube, and for blowing you get a hard brush nozzle, a soft brush nozzle, a soft nozzle, a round nozzle and a flat nozzle. The front of the CW23 is designed for the blower attachments, while the rear is for the vacuum kit attachment. The blower nozzles are very easy to install and there's plenty of variety depending on the job you're doing. And the vacuum kit is also very straightforward and easy to put together. And to clean it, just empty the dust bin and blow the filter clean using the CW23 itself, or you can use the included vacuum brush attachment. In my own use, I found the CW23 really handy for cleaning air conditioner filters. Cleaning vacuum filters, ceiling fan blades, It's also useful for inflating camping mattresses. And I use it to clean musical equipment, my laptop, and for all kinds of general dusting and small vacuuming jobs. One nice feature is that the fan still works while it's charging, so you can run it corded if you need longer run time. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the Nitecore CineWind 23. It's compact, powerful, easy to use, and far more versatile than I had first expected. And I can definitely recommend the CW23, especially if you want a portable device for cleaning, blowing, and vacuuming in smaller spaces. It's not going to replace a full-sized vacuum cleaner for the vacuuming function, but for what it is, it's very capable. I'll leave some links in the description to where you can find the Nitecore CineWind 23, along with more info and customer reviews. And if you got any value from this video, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell for future reviews, tutorials, and DIY content. And until next time, thanks for visiting my home hub, and happy CineWind.